Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
Hello everyone. In this video, I will explain how to make white sauce for lasagna. We'll start by gathering our essential ingredients. You will need 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter, 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour, 2 cups of whole milk, and some basic seasonings. Using unsalted butter allows you to control the flavor, and whole milk ensures a wonderfully rich and creamy sauce for your delicious lasagna layers. Let's get started with the first step. Now, let's create the foundation of our white sauce, the roux. Begin by melting 2 tablespoons of unsalted butter in a medium saucepan over medium heat. Once the butter is fully melted, whisk in 2 tablespoons of all-purpose flour. Continue whisking constantly for about 1 to 2 minutes. This process cooks out the raw flour taste and develops a lovely nutty aroma, giving your bechamel a fantastic depth of flavor. Next, we'll transform our roux into a smooth, creamy sauce. Gradually add 2 cups of cold milk to the roux, whisking continuously to prevent any lumps from forming. It's best to add the milk in small increments, ensuring each addition is fully incorporated before adding more. Continue to whisk as the sauce gently simmers over medium heat. It will thicken beautifully, and you'll know it's ready when it coats the back of a spoon. Finally, let's season our bechamel to perfection. Stir in about 1/2 teaspoon of salt and 1/4 teaspoon of black pepper. For an authentic and warm flavor, add a small pinch of freshly grated nutmeg. It truly elevates the sauce. Once seasoned, remove the white sauce from the heat. It's now perfectly smooth, creamy, and ready to be layered into your delicious homemade lasagna. Enjoy your culinary creation.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.